Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to add category on a Wix store. Let's get started. Open your Wix website and navigate to Catalog. Hover over Store Products and select Categories. Here, you can start creating your category. Click on the Create Category button or the plus icon to begin. Give a name to your new category and add a product you want to include. For example, we added 3 products to a perfume category. You can also add a cover image for your new category by clicking on the category image icon. Save the changes and keep adding new categories based on your preferences. Once you are done, a pop-up form will appear, allowing you to create a category on the existing menu or on a new menu. Let's preview the category we created. By clicking on a category, you can see the collections of products in the category. This is how to add category on a Wix store. Thank you for watching.